Tell them to bring me my money.
Listen to me. If the system around you has never produced wealth, why are you then obeying it? Some of your beliefs are not wisdom. They are limitations that are disguised as tradition.
You get it?
You don't talk about wealth or money. You believe every rich person or wealthy person must have done something bad to become rich. And you are also encouraged to be satisfied with who you are and what you have. My dear, you are loyal to ideas that are also loyal to poverty. You cannot think like your environment and escape it. You must summon the courage to betray the belief system that are betraying you. The choice is yours.